Have you ever laughed at a funny picture with text on the internet? A cat saying something silly, a dancing baby, or a confused man surrounded by math equations? Congratulations! You've experienced a meme, one of the most powerful forms of online communication. But do you know that memes existed long before the internet? Let us uncover the secret history of memes and learn English while exploring how a simple idea became a global language. Chapter 1. What exactly is a meme? The word meme was not created by internet users. It was invented by British scientist Richard Dawkins in 1976 in his book The Selfish Gene. He used it to describe how ideas spread from one person to another, just like genes pass on traits. According to Dawkins, a meme is a unit of cultural transmission. That means anything that spreads from mind to mind, a catchy song, a popular dance, or even a fashion trend is a meme. In the digital age, the meaning changed slightly. Today, a meme often means an image, video, or phrase that spreads quickly online, usually in a humorous way. It's a creative expression that combines culture, humor, and emotion. Vocabulary to learn. Transmission, the process of passing something from one person to another. Humorous, funny, or amusing. Expression, a way of showing feelings or ideas. Chapter 2. Before the internet, ancient memes. Memes are older than computers. Imagine ancient people drawing on cave walls, sharing stories, jokes, and beliefs through pictures. Those drawings were the earliest memes. They passed cultural messages across generations. In medieval times, songs, legends, and sayings were shared widely, like proverbs or folk stories. For example, the phrase, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," spread for centuries as a lesson about patience. That's a meme too, an idea repeated and remembered. Even political cartoons in newspapers from the 1800s were early versions of visual memes. They used humor and art to express opinions quickly, just like today's social media posts. Vocabulary to learn. Proverb, a short, wise saying that teaches a lesson. Generation, all the people born around the same time. Cartoon, a funny drawing or illustration. Chapter 3. The rise of internet memes. The first digital memes appeared in the early 1990s when the internet was still young. People started sharing funny images and GIFs in chat rooms and email chains. One of the earliest famous memes was the dancing baby, a 3D animation of a baby doing a silly dance. It spread across the internet in 1996 and became a symbol of how fast digital culture could move. Then came the 2000s, the golden age of memes. With the rise of websites like 4chan, Reddit, and Tumblr, memes evolved into a true online language. Characters like lolcat's icon has cheeseburger, and rage comics became part of internet history. These memes used broken or funny English, but they also taught people new expressions and humor styles. Vocabulary to learn. Animation, a moving image or cartoon created digitally. Evolved, developed, or changed over time. Symbol, something that represents an idea. Chapter 4, Memes. As modern communication today, memes are everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. They have become a universal language understood by people from different cultures. A single picture can express a complex emotion like sarcasm, frustration, or joy faster than words can. For English learners, memes are a fun and modern tool. They show real-world language, slang, jokes, and tone used by native speakers. Reading or creating memes can help learners understand context, which is the hidden meaning behind words. For example, the meme "This is fine" showing a cartoon dog in a burning room teaches irony when something bad happens. But you pretend it's okay. Vocabulary to learn. Sarcasm, saying the opposite of what you mean, often for humor. Irony, a situation that is the opposite of what you expect. Context, the situation or background that gives meaning to words. Chapter 5. The dark and bright sides of memes. Memes are powerful, but like all tools, they can be used for both good and bad. Some memes spread positivity, awareness, or kindness. Others, unfortunately, spread false information or hate. That's why understanding memes requires critical thinking, the ability to analyze what you see before believing or sharing it. Yet, many memes bring people together. During global events, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, people created memes to make others laugh and cope with fear. Memes became a shared emotional experience, connecting strangers across countries and languages. Vocabulary to learn, awareness, knowledge, or understanding of something. Critical thinking, the ability to evaluate information carefully, cope, to manage or deal with something difficult. Chapter 6. The future of memes as artificial intelligence and digital art evolve. Memes will keep changing. AI can now generate memes in seconds, mixing languages and cultures. In the future, memes might even become interactive, moving, talking, or responding to emotions. But their purpose will remain the same: to share ideas quickly, creatively, and emotionally. Memes are more than jokes. They are digital stories, snapshots of our collective human imagination. Vocabulary to learn. Interactive, allowing communication between people and machines. Collective, shared by a group or community. Imagination, the ability to create ideas or pictures in your mind. Conclusion. Learning English through memes. Memes may seem silly, but they are windows into modern English and culture. They help learners understand humor, tone, and social context, things textbooks often forget. By studying memes, you do not just learn English words. You learn how people feel, joke, and connect online. So next time you see a meme, do not just laugh. Read it like a story. Each meme tells a secret piece of history about how humans communicate and evolve. In a way, memes are the world's shortest, funniest, and most creative English lessons. Final words to remember. Language lives where people laugh, and memes These tiny digital jokes are proof that English is not just spoken or written. It is shared, remixed, and lived, one meme at a time.